Have you ever wondered how something so small can be so powerful? Chia seeds, originating from ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations, were so valued that their name in the Mayan language literally means strength. And for good reason. Did you know that gram for gram, they contain more omega-3s than salmon? Amazing, right? But the real question is, how can we make the most of this superfood in our daily routine? Is there any risk in consuming these seeds on a daily basis? Get ready to discover in this video all the incredible benefits that chia seeds can offer your health. From improving digestion to supporting weight loss, strengthening the heart, and enhancing bone health. These tiny nutritional powerhouses can transform your well-being in surprising ways. And the best part? We're going to share with you 7 incredible benefits of chia and show you creative and delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily life. So, if you're ready for a healthy and flavorful change, keep watching and get ready to be amazed. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. What part of the world are you from? After you watch the video, drop a comment below. 1. May aid in weight management. Chia seeds' high fiber and protein content could be beneficial for individuals looking to manage their weight. A single ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains nearly 10 grams of dietary fiber, making up an impressive 35% of their total weight. While research findings on this topic are mixed, some studies suggest that a diet rich in fiber may contribute to weight management by helping to prevent overweight and obesity. Moreover, the protein in chia seeds may support appetite control by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall food intake. 2. Improved blood sugar control. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for overall well-being and disease prevention. Research from animal studies suggests that sprouted chia seeds may help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar regulation, 2 key factors in lowering the risk of metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. In human studies, consuming bread made with chia seeds has been shown to result in a lower blood sugar response compared to traditional bread in individuals without diabetes. This suggests that incorporating chia seeds into meals may support better glycemic control and contribute to long-term metabolic health. 3. May improve digestion. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, providing an impressive 10 grams in just 2 tablespoons. Research suggests that fiber plays a crucial role in promoting healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements, strengthening the immune system, and enhancing gut health. One key component of chia seeds is mucilage, a type of soluble fiber responsible for their gel-like texture when soaked in water. This unique property can help slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote a longer feeling of fullness. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Soluble fiber helps add bulk to stools, which may prevent constipation. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support digestive health and overall well-being. 4. May help increase HDL cholesterol. Chia seeds may contribute to better heart health by positively impacting cholesterol levels. A 2021 review of 10 clinical trials found that consuming chia seeds increased high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as good cholesterol, while simultaneously lowering low-density lipoprotein LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. The researchers concluded that chia seeds exert a protective effect on lipid balance in the bloodstream and may also have a neutral or beneficial impact on other cardiovascular health markers. These findings suggest that incorporating chia seeds into a balanced diet could be beneficial for individuals looking to raise HDL cholesterol or reduce LDL cholesterol levels. However, it's important to remember that no single food can serve as a cure for high cholesterol. Maintaining overall heart health requires a comprehensive approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and medical guidance when necessary. 5. May reduce heart disease risk. Chia seeds are rich in heart-healthy nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, and magnesium, which may help lower key risk factors for heart disease such as high LDL, bad cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Their high soluble fiber content aids in reducing cholesterol absorption and promoting its excretion, leading to lower blood cholesterol levels. According to a study, chia seeds contain several beneficial compounds that support blood pressure and cardiovascular health. They are an excellent source of essential fatty acids, boasting a high omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, which has been associated with lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Chia seeds may also help regulate blood pressure thanks to their high magnesium content, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which support cardiovascular health. Adding chia seeds to your diet is an easy way to support heart health naturally. 6. Supports satiety. Chia seeds, rich in fiber and protein, can help promote satiety and support healthy weight management. Both fiber and protein slow digestion, preventing post-meal blood sugar spikes and enhancing feelings of fullness. Incorporating filling foods like chia seeds into your diet may help curb appetite and reduce overall calorie intake, contributing to weight control. A 2017 study involving 24 participants found that those who consumed yogurt with 7 or 14 grams of chia seeds reported feeling fuller and had lower hunger levels compared to those who ate yogurt without chia seeds. The study also showed that calorie intake was significantly lower when chia seeds were included. Adding chia seeds to meals and snacks can be a simple and effective way to stay satisfied longer and support weight management goals. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 7. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients commonly found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. Omega-3s play a crucial role in supporting brain function, maintaining heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Including these healthy fats in your diet can contribute to overall well-being, particularly by enhancing cardiovascular and cognitive functions. Chia seeds are particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain through dietary sources. Studies suggest that regular consumption of ALA may be associated with a lower risk of heart disease, making chia seeds a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. How to consume chia seeds. Chia seeds are highly nutritious and incredibly versatile, making them an easy addition to a healthy diet. Here are some simple and delicious ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily meals. Chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with milk or nut milk and allow the mixture to thicken for a satisfying and nutrient-dense pudding. Yogurt, oatmeal, and cereal boost. Stir chia seeds into yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal to enhance the fiber, protein, and mineral content. Using chia flour. Use chia flour as a nutritious alternative in baked goods such as breads and muffins. Salad and grain bowl topping. Sprinkle chia seeds over salads and grain bowls to add a crunchy texture and an extra nutrient boost. Homemade snacks. Incorporate chia seeds into homemade granola, energy balls, and trail mix for a convenient and healthy snack. Chia seed jam. Make a sugar-free jam by mixing chia seeds into cooked fruit for a naturally thick and fiber-rich spread. How to make the simple chia pudding. For an easy and filling chia pudding, follow these steps. Combine 4 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk in a mason jar and stir well. 2. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes, then give the jar a good shake to prevent clumping. 3. Allow it to set for about an hour or until it reaches a thick pudding-like consistency. 4. Customize your pudding by adding sweeteners like honey or maple syrup and topping it with fresh fruit, nut butter, or sliced almonds for extra flavor and nutrition. What are the risks of consuming chia seeds? Although chia seeds are incredibly nutritious and beneficial to health, it's important to consume them in moderation and be aware of some potential risks. Here are a few points to consider. Choking hazard. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a thick gel. If consumed dry and followed by liquids, they can expand in the throat, posing a choking risk. It is always recommended to soak them before consumption or add them to liquid foods such as yogurt and smoothies. Digestive issues. Due to their high fiber content, excessive consumption can cause bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort, especially for those with sensitive digestive systems or who are not accustomed to a high-fiber diet. Increasing intake gradually and maintaining good hydration can help avoid these issues. Interference with medications. Chia seeds may affect the absorption of medications used to control blood pressure and diabetes, as they help lower blood sugar levels and blood pressure. If you take medications for these conditions, consult a healthcare professional before incorporating chia into your routine. Food allergies. Although rare, some people may be allergic to chia seeds, experiencing symptoms such as itching, swelling, skin rashes, or breathing difficulties. If any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use immediately. Blood thinning effect. Because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds may have a mild blood thinning effect, which can be concerning for people taking anticoagulant medications or those with blood clotting disorders. Consuming chia seeds daily can bring many benefits, but it is essential to do so in a balanced way. The general recommendation is to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, always accompanied by liquids and as part of a varied diet. If you have specific health conditions or concerns, consulting a healthcare professional is always the best choice. Were you aware of any of these benefits of chia seeds? Leave your comment below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.